In this video,
We're going to break down exactly what an API is so that you can stop feeling completely overwhelmed by tech jargon and finally understand how all your favorite apps talk to each other to make your life easier.
let's get into it.
The Digital Waiter, breaking down the basics. API stands for Application Programming Interface. I know, that sounds super boring, but stick with me because understanding this is going to unlock a whole new level of tech literacy for you. Think of an API like a waiter at a restaurant. You're sitting at the table with a menu of things you want to order, and the kitchen is the system that has all the food and knows how to cook it. But you can't just walk into the back and start making your own burger. You need a messenger to take your request to the kitchen and then bring the food back to your table. That waiter is the API. It's just a set of rules that lets two completely different pieces of software talk to each other safely and securely. So next we'll look at how this actually works on your phone right now. Everyday magic, how you already use APIs. You're actually using APIs every single day without even realizing it. Ever use a travel app to search for cheap flights? That app isn't magically hoarding all the flight data from every airline in the world. Instead, it uses an API to send a request to Delta, United, and American Airlines asking for their prices. The airline servers process that request, and the API brings the results right back to your screen. Or how about when you buy something online and pay with PayPal? The store's website uses an API to ask PayPal to handle the transaction, so the store doesn't have to deal with your sensitive credit card info. It's seamless. But what does this mean if you actually want to build something yourself? I'm going to show you exactly why developers are so obsessed with them in just a sec.
By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to get more valuable content like this.
The Lego blocks of tech. Why developers love APIs. All right, so why do programmers care so much about APIs? Mostly because we don't want to reinvent the wheel. If you're building a new app and you want to include a map, you don't want to spend millions of dollars launching your own satellites to map the globe. You just plug into the Google Maps API. It gives you access to all of Google's hard work with just a few lines of code. It acts as a bridge, giving developers the specific data they need while keeping the rest of the company's core system locked down and secure. You get the map, but you don't get to turn their private database into a complete dumpster fire. It saves tons of time, money, and headaches. So what does this all mean for you? Well, whether you're an aspiring developer wanting to build the next $1 million app by combining different services, or you're just a curious tech user wanting to understand the digital world, knowing how APIs work puts you ahead of the curve. You now know the secret language that powers the modern web. Every time you see apps integrating or sharing data, you'll know exactly who the unsung hero behind the scenes is.
If this video helped, leave a comment below. If you want to keep learning, check out this video next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.